Welcome to Educational Toys and DIY educational videos to stimulate your child's growth. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the bell icon to get our latest updates. For this project, we're using Easter eggs to make this Easter wreath, some newspaper, scissors, glue, water. In this bowl, I've taken a couple of newspaper clippings. I'm using the white part of the newspaper, and I'm going to save this clipping. I'm going to cut them as fine as possible. Here I'm adding some glue, and don't worry about the color of the glue because this is going to dry clear. After adding some hot water, I'm mixing it well. I'm going to tear small pieces out of that. I'm soaking the paper in the water here if you're missing that part. They're all wet. So I'm tearing small little paper pieces and then I'm attaching it onto the Easter egg, the plastic ones. And I'm going to give it a few more coatings. An alternative to that is to instead of tearing the papers apart, you can go ahead and grind them. And once you grind them, it makes a mushy. It makes it mushy enough for you to just dab it on. So once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and cut that off. And you see the egg is pretty much retained its shape. And to attach it back, I'm adding a few more paper with glue. And I'm going to let that dry. Once they're all dried up, I'm going to use my Easter colors, that is yellow, orange, pink, green, and blue. And I'm going to color each one of these eggs. We're only going to make half of the wreath with some flowers that I picked up from the dollar store. But if you want to make a full wreath completed with eggs, then you need more than one egg of each color. So here I have some flowers. And those are plastic flowers that I picked up from the dollar store, pink and white. And here we're just attaching the Easter eggs. These are paper mache eggs, so they're not very heavy. We're just gluing them on with hot glue. And once we're happy with the positions of the eggs that are attached, we're just going to go ahead and stick the plastic flowers in. And again, we're only making part of the wreath. So you will need more flowers and more eggs if you're completing the whole. We really like the way this has turned out. Please let us know in our comment section below if you like this wreath. This is the end product. Hope you enjoy making yours. Happy Easter.